रोजनामा कुदरत की वीडियो देखने के लिए अभी यूट्यूब चैनल पर सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर भी क्लिक करें।
Hello everyone! We're here at the match. We're right here in the stadium. We're here at the dugout. The game has been going amazing. How are you guys feeling about it? Are you guys watching the match? Wait, let me see if I can flip the camera. And look who we have here with us. How are you, Ali?
I'm good.
How are you feeling about the match?
Excellent. I'm feeling that Zalmi will win. For sure. Yes.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Zalmi is going to win.
What do you
Represent.
think? What do you guys think? Kya comments are there?
What do you guys think?
What do you think?
Oh, should I say it?
Tajriyakar Mahira Khan.
I mean, I said that there'll be an out.
Mahira
And there
Khan
was
ki
an out.
Analysis or analytics. Please बताएं Mahira. What do you think?
Yeah, I think I want there to be just like chokkas. Boom, boom, boom. And then we win. We call it a night.
Yes.
Right? We do multiple chakkas and chokas and then we win.
Just go.
And then we win this match. Mahira, we're gonna win, inshallah?
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. What do you guys think?
What do you guys think?
Let's see what the comments are.
Alright, guys. Stay tuned to the match, keep watching.
Guys, look at what's happened.
I didn't. Yeah, I didn't. I suffered it before.
It looks like a...
Perfect.